So if your DD15 engine is making that rough idle, that means that your fuel quantity bar is getting bad. And which is the fuel quantity bar? Is gonna be this one right here, that one right there, that one. As you can see, that one is the fuel quantity bar. That's the one is responsible to have a smooth idle and to vary the pressure of the fuel pump. So in this case, we need to replace that fuel quantity bar to have a smooth idle. Otherwise, the engine will continue to have that rough idle, and it has some other consequences like burning more fuel. The fuel efficiency when it is idling and when it's driving is a little bit higher than it's supposed to be. So replacing that fuel quantity bar will help you to have a better smooth idle and to save some fuel. You can replace this ball, as you can see, this one, or you can replace the entire fuel pump or the whole pump. The whole pump is gonna be around $1,200, but that's just that fuel quantity bar is gonna be around $700. So you decide what to do, but to replace the fuel quantity bar, you can do it very fast. To replace the fuel pump, it will take a while. So it will be up to you what to do. But the simplest thing to do if your engine is having a rough idle, as I showed previously on this video, the solution to that is replacing the fuel quantity bar. Okay, thank you very much for your time. Have a great day.